Hey guys, today I'm teaching you a simplified bar path for the bench press. It's a pretty up and down, vertical, linear bar path, and this is something that you should employ when you're first starting to bench press because there's so much for you to focus on between your setup, between leg drive, between just doing something that's completely new to you, that you want to simplify your bar path as much as possible until you master the other stuff, the stuff that's going to contribute a lot more to your 1 rep max strength or your muscle building. So once we've set up here, we've got our good shoulders, grip, low back, knees, and legs, and we've got leg drive going. We're going to take the bar off the rack by pressing it up, bringing it out, and then we're going to be ready to bench press. So make sure that you push it up and bring it out horizontally before you start to lower it. That's one of the mistakes that I see in beginners. So once we've brought it out, we want to have it over our sternum, right here, maybe mid-chest, and we want to lower the bar directly vertical, straight to that point, and we're going to press it up straight from there as well. This bar path isn't going to be a perfect up and down line like when we squat. Go ahead and give me a few more. It's not going to be just like when we squat. It doesn't have to be that perfect, but that's what we're looking for. You want to just keep it simple. You want to keep control. You want to do what's called greasing that groove, which is where you're just getting really familiar with this bar path. Once we've finished, we're going to just bring the bar up this way until it hits the rack and set it down.